This is a Rheem tankless water filter. It's about a month already. It's time to clean the water filter right there. So today I'm showing you the step on how to clean the water filter. The first step is to turn off the machine. Here on the control panel you have the power on button. Hit it once and turn it off. Then unplug the power supply from the wall. Just make sure that the machine is totally off. Then find the gas shut-off valves and close the valves. Here in my case I have the blue and red handle. The blue is the cold water supply to the heater. So I turn the handle to off position to cut off the water to the water heater. I also turn and close the valves on the hot side because it helps to stop the backflow of the hot water to the heater. Here the black knob is the water filter. Sometimes it's quite tight, so I use a plier like this to unscrew it, but be careful, don't squeeze so hard or it may deform the filter and damage it. So just do it gently and turn it counterclockwise until it gets loose. Then I use my hand to unloose it and the water will come out. So make sure you get a water container underneath to collect the water that spilled out. Okay, so that's the water filter, and just pretty easy to get out. Here you see that if you clean it every month, you don't have that many deposits. Mine have some like blue and green stuff inside the filter. So I went to my bathroom sink and turn on the tap water. I use a toothpick to clean out those little blue and green stuff. Be careful, the toothpick should not be sharp, otherwise it could poke a hole and damage the filter. So here the blue skunk I got out from my filter here. Take a look, my filter is pretty clean now. After I take every single dirt out, it took me a while though. Then I put the filter back to the plastic holder and then put it inside back to the hole and hand tie it with my hand and make sure you don't over tighten it, otherwise it may damage the thread and cause water leak. Now it's time to open up all the valves. So I open up the hot side first. Then I open up the cold side. I do it gradually because I don't want too much water rush inside the tank, which may damage the component inside. You can hear water rush into the tank. So now it's time to check there's no leak from the water filter. So I use my hand to double check around, make sure there's no water come out. So then you are good to go. Now because there's air in the line, so what I do is open up all the hot water faucet and let it run and to purge all the air from the hot water line. So here's my bathroom. So after all the air came out, I turn it off. This is my sink. I just let it run until the air is purged from the line. Also the kitchens, they let the hot water run. After all the air in the line was purged, don't forget to open the gas shut-off valve, otherwise you will not have hot water. Before you turn on the machine, make sure it is all plugged in, otherwise it won't turn on. And power on the control unit by hitting the power button. After about 5 to 10 minutes, I turn on the hot water in my bathroom and check the temperature. Here you see the temperature is 113. So alright, everything works. The filter is clean. Please help to hit the like button and see you next time. Thank you.